Monitoring your child's hidden last seen status on WhatsApp can be a challenge since when WhatsApp allows users to hide their online status. Fortunately, there are tools available that can help you see their hidden activity freely. That's using a WhatsApp Last Seen Checker. FamiGuard WhatsApp Last Seen. This tool is a reliable solution to check your child's hidden WhatsApp last seen. You can use it on Android and iOS devices and don't need to access the target device. Without further ado, let's get right to use it. First, go to the website. Sign up for an account. Click Buy Now and choose a subscription plan based on your needs. Next, log into the website. Enter the Member Center. Go to My Product. Find FamiGuard WhatsApp Last Seen you just purchased. Click the Start Monitoring button. Click Add a new contact. You'll need to add your children to the monitoring list. There are two ways to add contacts. Way 1. Scan the QR code. Open WhatsApp on your device. Go to the Linked Devices feature. Scan the provided QR code on the dashboard. Click the Add button next to your children's name. Way 2. Input WhatsApp number manually. Click Add with phone number. Input your child's WhatsApp number. Click Start Monitoring. Once added, you can view their last seen and online status directly from your dashboard. The tool provides real-time updates, ensuring you have the information you need. You can also customize the online notification based on your needs to get notifications when your children are online on WhatsApp. Hope you like this video. If you have any concerns about this video, welcome to share your thoughts in the comment section. If you like this video, please drop like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.